My name is Zoe Jones. I'm partner and personal injury attorney with Gonzalez & Jones in Hollister, California. Today I'm here with Dr. Masula from Masula Family Chiropractic, who is our local chiropractor here in Hollister. Thank you, Dr. Masula, for being with us today. This education to the community is very important. So let's talk about immediately after an auto accident. So when someone is involved in an auto accident, what is the importance of seeking medical treatment immediately, no matter what type of auto accident?
The importance of immediate treatment would be to obviously get out of pain as quick as possible, but to also make sure that no late onset injuries or conditions develop later on down the road. Much like hitting a pothole on your car, you might not think much about it until thousands of miles down the road when you start wearing out the tires unevenly. Much the same can happen with your spine, leading to more chronic conditions if they're not diagnosed right off the bat.
That's a great example because when you hit a pothole, you don't necessarily think that you need to take care of it right away. And a lot of people feel that way when they get into an auto accident. Depending on the severity of it, sometimes they don't think that they're going to need that treatment. So you're absolutely right. It could lead to further issues down the road, and then it's too late to recover from the auto accident once that time period has happened, right?
Oh, absolutely. The mass majority of, for instance, a whiplash injury, most patients will end up losing the curvature of their neck, so it completely changes the biomechanics of how the spine's moving, the intervertebral discs. So it will always lead to early onset degenerative disc disease and osteoarthritis if it's not treated. So patients will come in just thinking it's a soft tissue injury, and that soreness or pain will go away, sometimes in a very short period of time, not realizing that years down the road, they're going to end up with a much more serious condition.
Excellent, thank you for that. And tell us about the client experience when they first seek treatment from a chiropractor, because I know a lot of people have never been to a chiropractor and they've heard things or they're nervous to see a chiropractor. So what is the experience when they go to your office?
Well, after the paperwork, we'll bring the patient back in the room and we're going to take them through a consultation, of course, try to figure out what their needs are, listen to everything they're going to have to say. Then we're going to take them through the exam to try to get to the actual cause of the injury, the proper diagnosis, and then we're going to take them through the treatment specifically for that patient to make sure that they're going to have the best possible treatment, the best care possible, to really give them the care that they actually need. And then, of course, I know a lot of patients might be worried about the adjustment itself, but the key is to adjust as gentle as possible, make it as comfortable as possible the entire time. We adjust patients all the way down from infants. I've adjusted both of my children the day after they were born.
I have as well.
Yeah. So it's always is catered to the patient as much as possible, just to make sure that we give them the actual care that they need.
Absolutely, because their health, again, is the most important. So seeking that treatment right away, taking care of yourself and your body, that's what comes first.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, Dr. Masula, so much for being here today. Education about this issue is so important to our law firm, and we appreciate you.
Thank you for having me.